Hi everyone, Windows Spotlight is a feature that automatically downloads and displays Bing pictures on your lock screen. The feature is available on Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22518 or higher. If you are running the Windows 11 build 22518 or higher, you can enable the feature by right-click on Desktop and select Personalize. Choose Background. Click on the Personalize Your Background drop-down and then select Windows Spotlight. Once you enable the feature, you will see a new background and will also notice a new spotlight icon on the top right side of the screen. Clicking on the icon will tell you more about the background. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.